Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be making a simple version of peanut butter pie. Peanut butter pie is a real hit in our home here, and there really isn't any specific time of year that we make it because we make it year-round. It's great for summer, it's great for holidays, it's just a really good dessert any time of the year. And this recipe is one I've been using for years, and I think that you will want to add it if you don't already have a great recipe. So follow along, let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients that you need. First of all, you need a pre-baked pie crust that has been cooled, and you need equal parts of peanut butter and powdered sugar. I think it's about a half cup each that I have here. You need 1 box of vanilla pudding mix, the instant, and I have the large box. You can actually get by with just the small box if you want, and then follow the instructions for milk on the box. And then we have 2.5 cups of milk and 8 ounces of whipped topping. You can use a homemade whipped topping if you prefer, but we'll go ahead and get started putting it together. Okay, we'll start by adding our milk to a medium to large bowl, and then our pudding mix, and then we're just going to whisk that. You can use a mixer if you like, but whisking it will work just right. I'm doing this first because we have to put it in the fridge and let it chill just until it's thick. It doesn't take long. It will go into the fridge for about 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, next we will put the powdered sugar and the peanut butter together, and I'm going to just mix that up with a fork. You can use a spoon or mixer, whatever, but this works just fine. This is the crumble part that will go on right on the crust, and then we'll have some for on top of the whipped topping. You can add a little more powdered sugar if you want it to be a little more crumbly, but this will be fine. I usually add the bigger chunks right on the bottom, and I save these little crumbly pieces for on top of the whipped topping. So I'll set those aside, and then I'll just spread this out. That way you get a yummy bite of the peanut butter mix in every slice. Okay, as soon as our pudding is thickened up, we'll just pour that on. Okay, our pudding is thick, so I'll just go ahead and pour this on. This is a simple version, like I said. If you want to make your own homemade vanilla pudding, that would be just great. See, this is why I don't use the small box of vanilla pudding. This is just about perfect with the large box. Okay, next is the whipped topping. And then I just kind of spread it out here. And then I'm just going to make some peaks. And next we put on our little sprinkles of peanut butter and powdered sugar. And that tops it off. If you had some of those little miniature Reese's peanut butter cups, you could add those. That would be a great addition. See how simple that was? Please like and subscribe to the channel, and check out the recipe and instructions down below, and come back again for more videos. See you soon.